Hello lovely YouTube family, welcome back to the Luxury Kingdom. Before we start, hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Today I'm here to share with you the craziest house we've ever been in. I hope you all enjoy this, and if you like this video, be sure to click that like button down below and let me know what you think of the house in the comments. So today, we are going to discuss the very interesting mansion. It's the most amazing place I have ever seen, and it has got just so many things to do here. The first thing we did was tour the house, and it was filled with all kinds of fun stuff. There were bars, a bowling alley, rooms filled with art, gorgeous bedrooms, a fitness center, and of course the mansion is also an underground nightclub. I hope to enjoy this video. Let's go inside now. Palais Vénitien. Cutting-edge architecture in a dream location. Look through the private balcony of your Palais Vénitien and you'll see stunning views of the magnificent panorama of Cannes and the blue waters of the Mediterranean stretching as far as the eye can see. This spectacular residence, designed by famed architect Jean Nouvel, is bounded by a 12th century castle. Ornate and majestic, it makes a powerful statement about your unexpected sophistication. Welcome to your new home at Le Palais Vénitien. Situated on the private island of St. George in the quaint village of Paola, Malta, this exquisite residence is to be enjoyed in complete privacy. Designed as a verdant oasis, its lush gardens provide an enchanting backdrop for any function. Some of its many striking features include the marble-floored atrium leading to a cobblestone driveway, an outdoor swimming pool sublimely surrounded by secluded woodlands under the gentle Mediterranean sun, and a majestic palace with magnificent columns and ornate moldings. The luxuriant grounds are waiting to be explored. Offering a wonderful blend of public and private spaces, this gorgeous villa is perfectly situated on the French Riviera, with sweeping ocean views. This two-story villa is tucked away in a peaceful corner of Cap d'Antibes, just above the beach and some steps away from some of the world's most stunning yachts. The Mediterranean-style interiors are rich and warm, featuring elegant touches such as ceramic tiling, skylights, and coffered ceilings. With 9 spacious suites for guests and staff alike, luxurious common areas such as an indoor pool and Turkish bath, covered outdoor pools, a tennis court, a garden equipped with an outdoor kitchen area, and formal gardens offering panoramic views of the Côte d'Azur, there's plenty to do in this stress-free home for 22. Property. A multi-million-dollar masterpiece of Italian history, this Italian villa was developed by a Venetian family that has owned the land for over 1,500 years. It was created with the finest furniture, art, silver, and gold from the 16th through 18th centuries. The 3-hectare luxuriant terraced grounds are a worthy setting for the villa's sumptuous interior. Beautifully composed and skillfully executed, this breathtaking Venetian villa features monumental columns, extraordinary moldings, and verdant 3-hectare terraced grounds to delight the senses. Design. The Palais Vénitien is the very first collection of furniture pieces conceived and created by the famous architect Palladio. With its wide and welcoming facade, flanked by high columns and crowned by a majestic pediment, it evokes the lively world of antiquity and Baroque. The palace's refined as well as imposing facade creates a contrast with its sumptuous and luminous interior that is domineered by a large rectangular pool surrounded by classicist sculptures. Like the interiors of palaces in France and Italy, it was created to dazzle with sumptuous colors and precious materials used for infinite small details, from bronze to marble or gilded wood, from silk to mother of pearl. Sanctuary. The Winter Garden is the luminous, informal heart of the Palais Vénitien. Designed by architect Jean-Michel Wilmot, with notable attention to detail, this charming room is bathed in natural light throughout the day, thanks to the numerous floor-to-ceiling glass windows and skylights. Appointed with an impressive La Cornue master kitchen, open to a more casual dining room and relaxed seating options, this 360-degree view makes the Winter Garden a unique setting for both formal and informal events. Leisure. 3 hectares of well-manicured private gardens, a manicured park, a treetop obstacle course, vegetable garden, private lake, tennis court, outdoor swimming pools, and much more. Nestled on the shores of Lake Geneva, this true haven for both body and soul is home to 6 stylish structures that cater to your every need. From holidaymakers seeking an escape from the stresses of everyday life to intrepid explorers with an appetite for a real adventure. Suites. The Palais Vénitien is a refined haven of peace, which offers the ultimate in elegance and comfort. The interior design blends harmoniously with historic features as well as sumptuous fabrics and objects marveled from all over the world. The hotel also provides 9 suites with dressing rooms and luxurious bathrooms featuring jacuzzi. Palais Vénitien is the ideal place for hosting weddings, banquets, and private parties, unforgettable getaways, and luxurious vacations. Entertaining. It has a breathtaking beach resort with luxurious amenities and exceptional service. Located on a secluded private beach, the hotel encompasses several unique facilities for your enjoyment. indoor and outdoor swimming pools, fitness room, spa and wellness center, lounge to be relaxed in, professional cinema for unique views of the most exciting movies, nightclub to let the magic of the place carry you on all night long. The hotel itself has a private cinema and pool, fitness room, and relaxation lounge for the guests to enjoy. The swimming pools are available for guests from 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. every day, except on Mondays, where it is only reserved for the use of the residents who live in the house. There is also an additional nightclub and a spa area. All guests are welcome to access these facilities on the days when they are not specifically reserved for residents. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you will like this amazing video. Stay tuned for more such videos.